and I wanted to like I still kind of like well I hope that I just like to I feel that and hopefully we'll get everything and well I would say the best part I would say the best part of well and while everything would and well I wanted to like drive my car but it feel like well I would say I just visit and not much is going on today and I can see that not much is going on today and I just nothing has been like new who said and it's been like really hard for me to like get through it and it's been like but it's for me because one of the owner of it is back to me and well I just kind of feel that it's not even like getting it back and again that's what I feel like is happening right now because that's what I kind of feel like what's happening right now is that and well it's like I'm not getting anything back like I wanted but it's like whenever you want something and some people just don't listen and well that is what the video that I wanted to talk about today and what I wanted to talk about today and so that is kind of why I am making it and it's true and it feels like that and I just am never going to get back when I need it the most. And that's what I wanted to talk about today and I hope that and everybody could relate and hopefully that and everything will be okay in the next 10-15 years or maybe 20, 25 or 30 years or whenever and I hope that everything will be okay in the next 10-15 years and and goodbye before now.